Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike. If you're listening to this while walking, cooking, or secretly avoiding your homework, welcome.
Yes, or maybe you're just sitting with headphones and saying, "Today I will finally improve my English." Good choice.
Today's topic is super important for beginners.
Yes, very, very important.
We are talking about there is and there are.
And trust me, this is one of the most confusing things for English learners.
True. Students always ask, Mike, when do I use there is? And when do I use there are?
And sometimes they just guess.
Yes, and English teachers can hear that guess from far away.
You know what's funny? I've heard students say things like, "There are a dog," or "There is many people."
Oh yes, I hear that every day in class.
And I always tell them, it's okay. We all make mistakes when learning.
Absolutely. Even I made these mistakes when I was learning grammar rules as a kid.
Really?
Oh yes, I remember my teacher correcting me many times.
That's good to know. It makes us human.
Exactly. So listeners, don't feel bad if you make mistakes.
Don't worry. After this episode, you will feel much more confident.
Exactly. We'll use simple sentences, daily life examples, and real conversations.
So let's start very simple.
Okay, first rule. Very easy.
There is used for one thing.
And there are is used for more than one thing.
That's it.
Yes, that's the base.
For example, if I say, "There is a book on the table,"
One book.
exactly, only one book.
But if you say there are two books on the table,
More than one book.
perfect.
Now, let's slow down a little because beginners need comfort.
Yes, no stress.
Imagine you enter a room.
Okay?
You look around and you see one chair.
You say,
There is a chair in the room.
good.
Now you see 5 chairs.
Then you say,
There are 5 chairs in the room.
easy.
But students sometimes say there is 5 chairs.
And English teachers cry a little inside.
Yes, but mistakes are part of learning.
Absolutely.
Actually, let me tell you why this mistake happens.
Oh, good idea.
In many languages, there is no difference between singular and plural in this structure.
Yes, like in some Asian languages.
Exactly. So students translate directly from their native language.
And that's when errors happen.
Right. So the key is to stop translating.
Think in English from the beginning.
Yes, that's the secret.
Let's talk about real daily situations.
Good idea.
You go to your kitchen in the morning,
First thing you look for, tea or coffee.
always coffee.
Same here.
You open the fridge,
And sadly,
only one egg is left.
you say,
There is one egg in the fridge.
correct. But if you see many eggs,
There are eggs in the fridge.
perfect. You know what? Let's continue with the kitchen example because it's so relatable.
Great idea. Everyone has a kitchen.
So you're looking in the fridge again.
Always looking for food.
You see one bottle of milk.
There is a bottle of milk.
Good. Now you see 3 apples.
There are 3 apples.
Excellent. What about one piece of cake?
Ooh, cake. There is a piece of cake.
And if you're lucky and there are two pieces,
There are 2 pieces of cake. Time for a party.
you really love food examples.
Food makes learning fun.
True, true. Now, here's something interesting. Yes?
Sometimes learners ask, Jessica, why do we say there is? What is there?
Good question. In simple words, there shows existence.
It means something exists somewhere.
Exactly. We're not talking about where you are standing.
We're talking about what exists.
For example, there is a problem.
Uh-oh.
Yes, one problem.
But sometimes there are many problems.
Sadly, yes.
Let me give you more examples with abstract things.
Oh, yes, this is important.
There is a solution.
One solution to your problem.
There are several solutions.
More than one way to solve it.
There is hope.
Beautiful sentence.
There are opportunities everywhere.
Very motivational.
See? We can use this structure for things we can touch, like books and chairs.
And also for things we cannot touch, like problems, solutions, and hope.
Exactly. Very flexible.
Now, let's practice with daily English sentences.
I'll say a sentence and you listen carefully.
Okay.
There is a cat under the table.
One cat.
There are 3 cats under the table.
That's a cat party.
Yes, and the table belongs to them now.
Cats always own everything in the house.
So true.
All right, next one.
There is a bus at the stop.
One bus.
There are many people at the bus stop.
More than one person.
Very good.
Let's add more transportation examples.
Good thinking.
There is a taxi outside.
One taxi waiting.
There are 5 taxis outside the hotel.
Multiple taxis.
There is a bicycle near the entrance.
One bicycle.
There are many bicycles in Amsterdam.
Oh yes, Amsterdam is famous for bicycles.
Exactly, thousands of them.
Now let's talk about negative sentences.
Yes, important.
To make negative, we add not.
For one thing, we say, there is not a pen on the desk.
Or we can say, there isn't a pen on the desk.
Both are correct.
For more than one thing,
There aren't any pens on the desk.
or there aren't any pens on the desk.
Good. Beginners often forget any.
Yes, but it's okay, step by step.
Let me explain why we use any.
Please do.
In negative sentences and questions, we usually use any instead of some.
Right, so we don't say there aren't some pens.
Exactly. We say there aren't any pens.
This is a small detail, but very important.
Yes, it makes your English sound more natural.
Let's practice a few more negative sentences.
Okay, there isn't a clock on the wall.
There aren't any pictures in this room.
There isn't a pharmacy nearby.
There aren't any students in the classroom.
Maybe it's a holiday.
Yes, probably.
Now, questions.
Ah, yes. Questions are fun.
To make a question, we switch the order.
For one thing, is there a bank near here?
For more than one thing, are there any restaurants near here?
Perfect.
Notice how the verb comes first in questions.
Yes, we put is or are at the beginning.
This is different from statements.
In statements, we say, there is a bank.
In questions, we say, is there a bank?
We flip it.
Exactly.
Imagine you are new in a city.
Lost, hungry and confused.
Exactly.
You ask, is there a cafe nearby?
And your friend answers, yes, there is.
Or, sadly, no, there isn't.
Then you cry internally.
So hungry.
Let's practice more travel questions.
Great idea.
Is there a subway station near the hotel?
Very useful question.
Are there any ATMs around here?
Always need money.
Is there Wi-Fi in this cafe?
The most important question of modern times.
Absolutely.
Are there any good museums in this city?
Perfect for tourists.
Now, another common mistake.
Oh yes.
Students look at the first word after there is or there are.
Yes, very important.
Example, there is a box of chocolates on the table.
Even though chocolates are many,
We say there is because a box is one.
exactly.
But there are boxes of chocolates on the table.
Multiple boxes.
Great.
This confuses students a lot,
Yes, because they think about the chocolates,
but we need to think about the box.
the main noun.
Exactly.
More examples like this?
Yes, let's do it.
There is a bag of apples.
One bag.
There are bags of apples.
Multiple bags.
There is a group of students.
One group, even though many students.
There are groups of students.
Now multiple groups.
See the pattern?
Very clear.
Let's do some slow practice.
Listeners, repeat in your mind.
There is a phone in my bag.
There are keys in my bag.
There is a problem with my internet.
Very real.
There are many videos on this channel to help you.
Nice promotion.
Thank you.
Let's add more practice sentences.
Yes, repetition helps memory.
There is a park near my house.
There are children playing in the park.
There is a library in the city center.
There are thousands of books in the library.
There is a meeting at 3 o'clock.
Oh no, work.
There are 10 people in the meeting.
Too many people.
Sometimes yes.
Now, let's make it conversational.
Okay.
Mike, is there a supermarket near your house?
Yes, there is. It's 5 minutes away.
Are there any good restaurants near it?
Yes, there are, but they are always busy.
That means the food is good.
Exactly.
Is there parking at the supermarket?
Yes, there is. A big parking lot.
Are there many people shopping there on weekends?
Oh, yes, there are. It gets very crowded.
I hate crowded supermarkets.
Me too. That's why I go early in the morning.
Smart.
Let's create another conversation.
Okay, this time about work or school.
Good idea. Jessica, is there a coffee machine in your office?
Yes, there is.
Thank
Goodness.
Are there any good cafes nearby?
Yes, there are two. One is very expensive, though.
Is there a photocopier on your floor?
Yes, there is, but it breaks all the time.
Classic office problem.
Are there any meeting rooms available today?
Let me check. No, there aren't. All booked.
That's annoying.
Very common problem.
Okay, one more conversation, this time about a new apartment.
Perfect. Real life situation.
So, is there a balcony in the apartment?
Yes, there is. A small one.
Nice. Are there any shops nearby?
Yes, there are. A small grocery store and a bakery.
Is there a gym in the building?
No, there isn't, but there's one 5 minutes away.
Are there elevators?
Yes, there are 2 elevators,
Good, because stairs are tiring.
especially when you live on the 10th floor.
Exactly.
One last tip for beginners.
Yes, please listen carefully.
Don't translate from your language.
Think in English.
Ask yourself, is it one?
Or more than one.
Then choose there is or there are.
Simple thinking, no stress.
Mistakes are normal.
Every English speaker made them.
Even native speakers sometimes say funny things.
Yes, English is not perfect.
But practice makes progress.
Not perfect, progress.
I like that phrase.
Me too.
It takes the pressure off.
Learning should be enjoyable, not stressful.
Absolutely. So listeners, here's your homework.
Oh, homework.
Don't worry, it's easy and fun.
Okay, tell us.
Look around the room you're in right now
Wherever you are listening,
and make 5 sentences.
using there is or there are.
For example, there is a lamp on the desk.
There are books on the shelf.
Say them out loud.
Or write them down.
Both are great practice.
And if you make a mistake,
It's totally fine.
just try again.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Soon you won't even think about it.
It will be automatic.
Like breathing.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let me give you one more tip.
Please do.
When you read English texts, pay attention to there is and there are.
Great advice.
Notice how native speakers use them.
In books, articles, social media.
Everywhere.
This is called natural exposure.
Yes, you learn by seeing real examples.
Not just grammar rules.
Exactly.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Keep listening, keep practicing.
and remember,
There is hope.
and there are many chances to improve your English.
There are millions of English learners just like you.
You're not alone.
We're all learning together.
That's beautiful.
Thank you for listening today.
We appreciate every single one of you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Keep learning and stay positive.
Bye-bye.